What's up guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create an artist profile on Spotify. So guys, if you're an artist and you want to upload your song on Spotify, you have to first of all create an artist profile. So I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video. It's going to be very quick and easy, so let's jump in. Now the first step for you to take is to go to your favorite browser. I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to go to my Chrome browser and then I'm going to search for Spotify. Then it will bring here, or you can just quickly go ahead and type www.spotify.com. Now here's the link, so I'm going to click on that. Alright, so once you get to this once you get to the official website of Spotify, then you find the option to sign up right here, and also the option to log in. We don't have any account on Spotify, so we're going to sign up. Alright, so once you get to this point, you find two options of signing up. You can sign up using your Facebook or using your Gmail. If you're using your phone to sign up, you also find the option to sign up using your phone number. So whichever one you choose, you can just go ahead and continue signing up with it. But for this tutorial, we are going to be using our Gmail. So I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to fill all this requirement right here, and we're going to proceed. Now the first thing I have to do is to add my Gmail account, and then I'm going to have to confirm my Gmail account. Alright, then I'm going to create a password. Alright, I'm going to add my profile name. This name will appear on my profile account, on my Spotify account. Alright, so the next thing is to add your birthday, your date of birth. Alright, after that, go ahead and choose your gender. And the next thing is to click on this checkbox, and finally let's click on the sign up button at the bottom. So it will only take a few seconds to create our profile for us. Now finally we have successfully created an artist account or an artist profile on Spotify. Alright, if you look right here, we now have a profile. So if I click on this drop down and go to my account, then you find out that we have an account right here. So as you can see, this is my username, my email, my date of birth and everything on my profile. So guys, if you would love uploading your songs on Spotify, here's a link on how to do this at the top right here. So guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.